some some breakfast for the kids because it's already early right now. We just wake up by 1 p.m. and we're waiting for the kids to get down here. 2 hours later. Breakfast. Yay, cereal! Yippee! Eating dinner. Oh, that's it. Okay, what should we do today? I don't know. We should go outside and play. It's raining outside. I have an idea. Okay, we're here at my room. We're here at our room, and we have special things. Okay, we have our raincoat. It's a sunny morning. Oh, we need this. Would Susie not mind when we borrow her this? No, I don't mind. Okay, go. Mom, we're here to go outside. Oh, okay, you can go. Oh, so this was our kit right here. We have a dollhouse, hot tub, and a slide to play. Sissy, we should do like this. We should do it out the umbrellas. Yeah. Since it's morning, I'm just gonna clean up.
Yes? Okay. Are you eating?
I ate the other one.
Okay. How about mommy?
Okay, let's lock the door. Kids! Yeah, Mom! We're just going outside. You want some popsicles? Yeah! Me too, yeah! Let's go!
Dancer. Kasi isa ng dancer. Dentista.
We're here for the popsicles, Mom. Okay, let me just get the popsicles. No. For Ella. We're alone. Okay, and this pop is gonna be for me. Okay, when are we gonna have some more popsicles? Someday, I think. Yum. Yummy. Yum, yum. Yeah, Mom, we're just going to go to our rooms. Okay. Oh my god, what time is it? Where's my umbrella? Did you take my umbrella? We just only... Oh, well, we'll use it for a while. Okay, let me just get ready. Oh, no. Music on. Okay, let's go. Me again. Oh, hello, can you lower down the volume? Okay. Okay, that's much better. Go to sleep, go to sleep, my little baby. I'm bored. What should we do today? I don't know. It's so boring. Playing outside with the rain is boring too. Yeah. Yeah, so I want to do a home routine. Yeah, we should. It's raining. Yeah, we should. Want to read some books? Okay. So I got these chairs for them to read some books. Okay. Go to sleep. Over there. Oh, she's awake. Let's just decorate this. Okay, while I'm reading a book, Dad's just getting us some snacks. Oh, and this is what it looks like. Are you done? So just snacks. Yay, fries.
You done?
Yes. Okay, I'm gonna just do some work.
What?
I'm just voice acting this. Voice acting.
Wala na to ah. Wala na yung nagpaguluhan ko ah. Hindi yan. Hindi yan. Wala na akong pipisilin.
Okay, I'm done with this one. This is a storybook. Yeah, I know that. Done with mine. Oh, come on. Let's go down. Robots. Downloads. I'm gonna download Fortnite. So beautiful. So beautiful. Anyways, thank you guys for watching. So I hope you enjoy this thing, and I love you. Remember that Jesus loves you, and give a like to baby Myla, and oh shh, okay, go to sleep, go to sleep. Oh, go to sleep. Okay, now can work. Thank you guys for watching. Bye.